Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you change your avatar on your Duolingo app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is you just click on, you click here on down here in this photo here or your avatar here down. So then when you click here, it's going to take you here in this list. Then you just go up of this sign, click on it here in app, so then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on change avatar here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so in here can you change your avatar. So here can you choose avatar you want to add on your so on your app in here. So can you choose your hair here. So you just here choose for example here in this list here. So then here you click, so if you want to change it to men, just click, so choose it like this. And here can you choose this here, and here can you choose the color, and like you see now, and here can you choose the color for background. So that's all you have to do now. So I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.